Hello friends and welcome to Nifty and BankNifty daily post-market technical analysis. So let us first start with Nifty today, and today is 3rd April and this is the candle for Nifty today, and this candle, as you can see, it opened with a gap up here. After that there was some strong sell-off which happened during intraday, and eventually it closed with a recovery just below 17,400. So if you observe the nature of the candle, this is what a classic hammer looks like, and it is coming after a sharp uptrend. So though we have only 2 sessions in this uptrend, if we count the current one, it will be 3 sessions. But this is a very sharp rise, and we are seeing a hammer after this steep rise. As such, I would say we have to give importance to this hammer. If this had been like a slow uptrend and we see a hammer here, maybe then there may not be that much importance to it, but here this is a very steep uptrend and we are seeing a hammer here, and there is what I call an intersection of resistances here. See, one resistance is from 200-day moving average, one resistance from 50-day moving average, and we have the top of the parallel channel also. So given that there are all these resistances there and we are seeing a hammer here, I will give some importance to this, and let us I'll say we have to watch how the Wednesday session is going to be. If the Wednesday session of Nifty 50 closes above this hammer top, that is like above 17,430, then then we can say that this uptrend is still intact. Otherwise, if the Wednesday session ideally should close below 17,300, if the Wednesday session closes below this, then it will signify a reversal of this uptrend. So from the daily analysis of Nifty 50, this is the straight and simple observation that we can make out of it. Looking at the intraday trend in Nifty, so intraday trend also gives the same close. It opened with a considerable gap up. The previous gap sustained here, but today the gap did not sustain. It sold off. However, it found support at this level, which acted as an intraday support earlier also. So this is coming to 17,330, just like the support I mentioned here. I had mentioned 17,310, sorry, 17,310 can be a support for Nifty in the daily analysis, or in the previous daily analysis, and that is where Nifty eventually found support today. After the support, it rose up. Even it eventually found resistance near the previous highs of the, say, like one is the 31st March. It did some consolidation there. Eventually it broke that consolidation and tried to break above 17,400 also, but it was not able to break 17,400, which uh, gave the daily candle a hammer appearance. So like I said, if 5th April session closes above this top of the hammer, then we will have a continuation of the bull trend. If 5th April session closes below 17,300, that will be a very good reversal indicator, reversal of this bull trend. If it is something else, then we may have to think that it is a top side consolidation, and we will see. We have to wait and watch what happens after that. Talking about Bank Nifty is appearing a little more bullish than Nifty. So it broke this 50-day moving average. It opened slightly lower, fell down and took support. Eventually closed above the 50-day moving average. However, we have to consider this gap here. This gap will be acting as a resistance on Bank Nifty. So just like Nifty, Bank Nifty also has to close, ideally it has to close the gap completely on Wednesday, that is 5th April. But if it is not able to do that, it might get pushed down. We have to see how that happens, because as of now Bank Nifty looks more bullish than Nifty. But if Wednesday session gives a strong reversal indicator, then we have to assume that this uptrend is over. So that is the observations and analysis and outlook for Nifty for 5th April, Wednesday. And we'll meet again with the daily analysis on that day. Until then, oh yeah, before that, let me show you the support and resistances for Nifty and Bank Nifty. These are for 5th April. So with that, I conclude this analysis session, and I hope everyone will have a good trading session on 5th April.